The power of technological change and the imagination of unlimited innovation make communication more convenient. LONBON, with visual intercom, audio and video technology as the core, provide hospitals, pensions, schools, prisons, intelligent construction plan with visual intercom as the core through in-depth perception of customer needs and innovation and collaboration refine entrepreneurial spirit, create the best products for users. To shorten the distance between doctors, nurses and patients, to improve the hospital's service level and the efficiency of medical staff, we have built a safe, convenient and interconnected hospital intelligent construction plan for you. In order for the elderly to receive timely and thoughtful service and care, we have built an old age care plan integrating medical care and nursing care, which integrates alarm positioning, video intercom, intelligent monitoring and other functions for you. In order to ensure the safety of school students, to provide the ability to deal with emergencies and to improve the school's intelligent management level, we have built an intelligent school construction program based on real-time interactive audio and video applications for you. To improve the prison's ability to prevent and respond to emergencies, to provide the quality of the education and reform of detainees and the ability to guarantee the security of the prison, we have built an intelligent prison construction plan with the goal of digital rule of law and smart justice for you. To ensure the safety of the homeland, the stability of the society, and safety of travel, we have built a visual emergency command and dispatch platform and visual intercom, video conference, information release, emergency broadcast, and video linkage to achieve command for you. We have strong technological innovation capabilities and the R&D strength that drives breakthrough changes in the industry. We have craftsmanship for excellence and a comprehensive and refined quality management system. We have a nationwide marketing service network and many honors. Focus on the heart, perseverance in action, the driving force for all achievements in LONBON. All from continuous innovation, the spirit of focusing on research and development, look to the future. We will still stand at the forefront of overall solutions in the security field. Continuous pursuit of excellence, continue to innovate. LONBON Intelligent construction plan with visual intercom as the core.